How to fix WhatsApp business voice message problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business voice message problem on Android phone. First open settings and then just click here and then type here apps or applications and then just go click on it apps and then apps again, and here we'll find all your installed apps. Now just click here WhatsApp business and then click storage, and now click clear cache and go to permissions and enable microphone. You will find it like that. Click allow and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.